Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for August 16th. We are looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. This pair did create an inside bar again. It is moving sideways, consolidating down, really is set prime for a breakout. Don't know which direction, but we'll talk about that here in a minute. Look for this pair to potentially go as high as 77.27, possibly as low as 76.24. Look for some resistance around 77.25 and look for some support around 76.25. Now the Euro USD pair, this pair closed down, did create an inside bar as well. We are looking for it to continue overall moving sideways, potentially going as high as 145.48, possibly as low as 142.67. Look for some resistance around 145.00 and look for some support around 143.50. Now, the pound US dollar pair, this pair surged to the upside, broke just by a pip or two. Our high here, we are looking for this pair to potentially go as high as 165.91, possibly as low as 162.52. Look for some resistance around 164.75 and look for some support around 163.75. Now the US Swiss, this pair closed high, almost on its high, not quite there. We are looking for it to potentially go as high and hit some resistance around 0.8000, possibly moving lower and hitting support around 0.775, so 77.50. All right, now as far as news analysis go, we have the Bank of England releasing their minutes tomorrow at 4:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that? No real consensus. The numbers have already been posted, so there shouldn't be any real surprises there. We also have the jobless claims for July from the pound being released. Consensus on that one is that it's dropped a little bit from 24.5K to 20.0K. Let's take a look real quick at what I'm looking for during this next session. Now, we talked about yesterday buying off the high there and selling off of the low, looking to grab a 1-to-1, which is about 100 pips. So there's about 100 pips between these two lines that I just drew. So looking to grab 100 pips up from there would be right around here, and 100 pips down would actually be a little bit further. There we go. So right about here for the buy and down to right about here for the sell. Looking to buy potentially on a breakout and sell potentially on a breakout. I do believe we'll see that happen. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days now, 5 sessions in a row of less than 30% open to close ranges, which is a great indication that we're going to have a breakout. Previously, when we looked at the euro, when it did this 4 or 5 days in a row, we had a very strong move to the downside. I do believe we will see this pair break out. Now, which direction, do not know. Long term, this pair is down, so my odds would be that we're going to break to the downside. Now, does that mean we're going to? Absolutely not. I have no clue where this is going to go. I do know it's been going sideways. I do know we have a good entry for both a buy and a sell. And using a 1-to-1 historically, when you have this many days in a row, is a very high probability trade, which can make you, of course, money. Hope that helps. And until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.